Hello guys and welcome back to Harmonweb, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to import SSH keys via your cPanel. Come with me, let's go. Watch this video to the end and you'll be getting a 40% of discount code that you can use to check out when making a purchase via Harmonweb. Okay, let's get right into today's topic. So first of all you need to do is to first log in into your Harmonweb client area. I'm logged into mine, and yes, this is the service I'm going to be using. Then you log into your cPanel account. Now I am logged into my cPanel account. You can just simply scroll down under security or use the search button and search for SSH access. And you do what? Click on it. Once you click on it, you then click on the manage SSH keys. Why it is bringing this? Because I have no SSH key active, but I have one private key and one public key, of which the public key is not authorized and the private key is here. So in order to import a new SSH key into your cPanel, you click on the import key that you can find at the top here. Click on import key. Then you choose a name for your SSH key. It defaults to IDDSA as you can see here. So let me say I'm on SSH1. You then paste in your um private key here, your passphrase, and then your public key. Note that you don't have to import both keys. It is perfectly acceptable to just import a public or private key if that's all you need on the server. Okay, so you can either paste just the private key or the public key. Then once you're done, input the passphrase and click on the import button and you are good to go. Your SSH key has just been imported to your cPanel. So now let's get right into the 40% discount code. Okay, use save 40. You can see it displaying on your screen right now. Use it to get 40% off your next purchase on Harmonweb. See you in the next video.